Hello guys. We are doing inventing machines only challenge. So if you guys can you stop, Mom? I'm in the middle of it thing.
Remy, I can't afford one, so I think I have to pick up my loot.
Oh yeah, I see. Okay, so guys, basically we're doing inventing machine only challenge. And in my last video, we only did arguing, so I'm sorry for the weird ending because we placed 5th and we died to those guys anyways. So I'm so sorry for that weird ending. That's my bad because the video cut off because it was too long. I don't use that good service. So Donna, let me buy you one. I'm so sorry guys that happened.
No, Remy, don't, because I want to keep my load.
You want to Well, we are doing donut. We have to.
Fine.
Good boy.
Can we only do key thing too?
Sure, we can do that. We can do that.
Wait, Remy, you don't have to because I already have a heavy sniper and it's what's in there. So does it count?
Sure, you can. We can count now.
Because I already have.
By the way, I have lots of gold for you, so don't worry. Let's go! I got redeployed. Okay, let me drop all my weapons since I can only use a sniper.
Same, I only can use a sniper too. Oh, I really want this hopping shotgun. I really have one at the hopping shotgun.
Well, we can only get the heals, okay? You should let me get that gold, bro. Or no.
Now I have 200, so I can buy me a shotgun.
Stop, Mom! Please. You're lucky I got rebooted, Mom.
Remy, right when you said that, somebody rebooted.
Well, there goes our GGs because there's no way I'm using a sniper to kill them.
They're far away. There's 2 of them.
That's perfect. God damn it. I see them. Oh, bro, that actually sucked. Sniper, that actually sucked. Let's go, I got 2 keys. You can use keys for health and katana, but you cannot use damage to the katana, okay?
Okay. Remy, should we try to kill them?
No, that's a bad idea. We'll probably... No, let's get the boss. So we can get some heals. Let's get the boss.
Remy, then people's gonna be like, why would noobs leave the hobbit shotguns in the stinking ball?
Yeah, but we can get it for loot, okay?
Okay.
Okay, tell me, on the count of 3, I'll tell you when we'll snipe them, okay?
How about you just cheat for 1 gun, please?
Fine, cheat for 1 gun, only 1 time. Because this challenge is gonna be impossible with that 1 gun.
Yeah, without the hobbit shotgun?
Yeah. Holy crap, where are these?
Tell your viewers that we're sorry for cheating.
We're sorry for cheating. This thing is gonna be impossible without you guys.
Without those, if we don't
hit him in the peen. I hit him in the peen.
Let's go to the vault. Let's just leave the vault.
No, I knocked one.
We can only cheat to get the hobbit shotgun, you know.
Holy crap, they're on top. Okay, I knocked all of them. That's the best.
Alright, Remy. We only get to have the hobbit shotgun in the vault. Drop all your
and we
weapons.
can... No. Yeah, okay. I already... No, I have heals. So, I dropped... I didn't drop them back. I'm just using heals from it. We can only cheat and use 1 gun. I'm sorry we're cheating like this, but we have to do it, dude. Now get as much gold as you can because you know we gotta do it. I got a sniper! No, we can't use that. Forgot we can only use hobbits. God!
Do you even need gold?
Yes, I do, so we can buy stuff from the vending machine.
How much gold do you have?
924.
I have 20 at least.
20?
Yeah.
Damn, you spent all your gold like a dirty charmer, bro.
Look! Ramy, look!
Do you have any shotgun ammo? Because I have 0.
You want this pizza?
No, I'm good. I'm chilling.
Let's go down and grab slices. Take a slice.
No, I'm fine, bro. I'm fine.
Take, please, take. We get a hobby shotgun and a sniper until we find an. Well, we get to keep the hobby shotgun anyway.
Yeah.
Either way,
we don't die because I don't know how we're gonna kill people just that way. I mean, we got a missing Klavic.
yeah.
Let's go capture that thingy so we can get some heals and some shotgun ammo that I need. Damn, let it go, let it go.
I don't care if it's blue.
Oh, I see people, they're sweaty, they look sweaty. Definitely not skinned.
Grab it.
Oh, I see them. They're on me. They're bots, help. They're bots. They're running away, I repeat, they're running away. No, I need help, I'm dead. Kill them, they're really bad, I just had 0 shotgun ammo because you didn't give me any. Kill them and then the thing will be over. The other one's right there, they're really bad. Yo, what are you doing?
Ramy, let's do a different challenge, please. Ready up.
Okay.
Ready up.
Thank you guys for watching this video, even though it's very short. Thank you so much. Vending machine only challenge. At least we play 16. This is so nice to play with you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I want that to. God damn! I want it.
Fine, we'll return.
Okay, see you guys in the next one, and bye.